Hello. Here's the Mercedes A220 2019 key. Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. Okay, first thing, remove the key blade. Okay, the key blade here. Okay, press it down here, remove the key blade. Okay, and then press it all the way down to release the cover of the cover. Then turn here's the battery inside. Slide this lock, this one here, pull it out like that. Yeah, pull it out, and then here's the battery. Okay, it's CR2032 battery. Okay, to replace it, yeah, just press it in, like put it in like that. Okay. And then go in like that. Yes, go in like that, press it in, okay, and then put the cover back on. Okay, put the cover back on, just press it down like that. Yeah, see, press it down. Okay, and then the emergency key, put it back on. Okay, it's very simple. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you.